Hi friends, today's topic, how to add an end screen to your YouTube video. I will do this using my smartphone, but the process is same if you are using a PC or a laptop. So welcome to my channel Tech Recipes. First, what is an end screen? You must have seen many YouTube videos where at the end of the video you are asked to subscribe or directed to some other video or playlist. Now that is an end screen. It is an overlay at the end of your YouTube video that stays for 5 to 20 seconds and encourages your viewers to engage with your channel further. Next, why should you add an end screen? End screens are a powerful tool to engage your viewers and ask them to subscribe or push them to other videos or playlists. This can help boost session watch time, increase your search ranking, and get you more suggested views. Now, how to add an end screen to a video? Open YouTube Studio as desktop site in Chrome browser. From the left menu, tap Content. Tap on the thumbnail of video where you will add end screen to open the video in edit mode. The video details screen opens. The pencil icon from the left menu is already selected, meaning the video is in edit mode. On the right side of the page, below the thumbnail, you will find option to edit end screen. Tap on pencil icon. The end screen window opens up. So, this is the interface. This is your video and below is the end part of the timeline. Now, you can tap on this plus icon to add any of these elements to your end screen. A video, a playlist, subscribe button or any channel. The link element is also enabled for members of the YouTube Partner Program. You can add up to 4 elements, featured elements that are relevant to your video. You can import end screen from your any other video or select any one of the templates already available. These templates are available. 1 video, 1 subscribe, 2 videos, 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 subscribe, and so on. Let me select the template, 1 video and 1 subscribe button. So, they have got added to the screen. To add a video, 3 options are available. Most recent upload, where the most recent upload of your channel is automatically featured. Best for viewer, where YouTube selects a video from your channel that best suits his interest. Third, choose specific video, where you choose a particular video that is relevant to your current video. Let me select the third option, choose specific video. Now let me select the video which will get displayed. The elements are visible on the timeline here. They have got added in the last 20 seconds of the video. You can move these elements anywhere on the screen. You can also delete one or you can add any element from here. See here, there is some red overlay because the element shouldn't overlap. Let me move this at the side. You can change the duration of the clip from here, minimum being 5 seconds and maximum being 20 seconds. Or you can drag to adjust the element in the timeline as per your need. Well, sometimes dragging and adjusting can be a bit tricky using a small screen device like a smartphone. Play from here to view your changes. When you are done, click Save. Let us play it from YouTube. So, you have successfully created your end screen in a video. That was all for today. See you in the next video.